Welcome to our video discussing the latest rumors about the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. In this video, we'll cover everything we know so far about this highly anticipated smartwatch, including potential sizes, display upgrades, advanced features, target audience, and the uncertainties surrounding these leaks. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, an athlete, or just curious about the latest in wearable technology, stay tuned for all the details. Let's dive into the new rumors about the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. According to recent leaks, Garmin is working on a Pro version of their popular Fenix 8 model. While the standard Fenix 8 already offers a robust set of features, a Pro version is expected to take things to the next level, catering to users who demand the best in performance and functionality. One of the exciting rumors is that the Fenix 8 Pro will come in two sizes, 47mm and 51mm. This variety in sizes will allow users to choose the model that best fits their wrist and personal preference. Additionally, there's talk of a micro LED display, which could provide better brightness, contrast, and energy efficiency compared to traditional displays. If these rumors are true, the Fenix 8 Pro could offer a superior viewing experience even in bright outdoor conditions. The standard Garmin Fenix 8 already boasts an impressive array of features, including strength training capabilities, a built-in LED flashlight, and a long battery life that can keep up with the most demanding activities. The Pro version is expected to offer even more advanced features, although specific details are still under wraps. We can speculate that Garmin might introduce enhancements in tracking accuracy, additional health metrics, and possibly new smart features that cater to the needs of serious athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is likely to be targeted at outdoor and athletes who demand the best in wearable technology. With its rugged design, advanced tracking capabilities, and potential new features, the Fenix 8 Pro aims to be the ultimate companion for those who push their limits in various sports and outdoor activities. Whether you're hiking, running, cycling, or engaging in other intense activities, this smartwatch is designed to provide the data and durability you need. While the rumored features for the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro sound impressive, it's crucial to remember that they remain unverified. This means that although exciting, we should approach them with caution. Industry leaks and rumors often provide insight into possible advancements, such as the Fenix 8 Pro's potential larger micro-LED displays, upgraded battery life, and enhanced sports tracking features. However, until Garmin confirms these, there's no guarantee they'll make it to the final product. Expectations for the Fenix 8 Pro have grown partly due to Garmin's history of durable and feature-rich sports watches. For instance, its reported upgrade to micro-LED displays, a rumored $999 starting price, and improved solar charging could make it stand out among premium sports wearables. Yet, these improvements are only speculative until Garmin makes an official announcement. It's also common for companies to make adjustments or changes before launch, meaning the final product could differ significantly from current expectations. For anyone eager to purchase, keeping a close eye on Garmin's announcements can help avoid disappointment or misinformed decisions. In summary, while the Fenix 8 Pro may bring exciting features, it's best to stay grounded until Garmin provides concrete details. To wrap up, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the Fenix lineup, with potential upgrades in size, display, and advanced features. We'd love to hear your thoughts and questions about the Fenix 8 Pro. Share your comments below and let us know what you think.